There are generally two types of material shortage alarms. First, it is the position displayed by the machine in this feeding bowl. Send a red alert. The entire machine will make a noise. In this situation, the machine is already out of material. The correct solution is to add material to the bowl. Second, if the bowl is full, but the machine is still alarmed, we need to check whether the materials in the material basin are discharged into the evaporator cylinder. If the material cannot be discharged into the evaporator cylinder, it might be the hole of the expanding rod is not selected properly. The expanding rod is divided into 3 holes: large hole, medium holes, and small holes. If the raw material is powder, it is not thoroughly mixed well with water or milk, may generate sediments. And using the small holes, the feed hole can be easily blocked by sediments. It is very difficult to discharge the materials into the evaporator cylinder. In this case, we can choose the middle hole, or temporarily pull out the whole expanding rod. Then let the material into the evaporator cylinder. See if this alarm will solve.